Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the Elin's H685 Series 5G Ethernet router, a powerful and versatile solution for mission-critical connectivity in challenging environments. One of the standout features of the H685 series is its multi-operator 3G/4G LTE support with a SIM card slot, allowing for seamless connectivity across different cellular networks. One of the standout features of the H685 series is its multi-operator 3G/4G LTE support with a SIM card slot, allowing for seamless connectivity across different cellular networks. With cloud management capabilities, including NMS Network Management System, TR069, Web Management, SMS, SSH Telnet Command, and SNMP, the H685 series offers unparalleled control and monitoring options. In addition to its cellular connectivity, the H685 series also features Wi-Fi support with 802.11 ABG and 2.4 GHz capabilities, making it a versatile solution for a wide range of applications. With a 540-volt DC voltage input range, 5-60-volt DC option, and dual power input and power failover capabilities, the H685 series offers flexibility and resilience in power management. For applications that require location tracking, the H685 series also features GPS and GNSS support, adding another layer of functionality to this already impressive device. With support for Ethernet, Wi-Fi as WAN, and Metro Wi-Fi, the H685 series offers a wide range of connectivity options, making it suitable for a variety of use cases. In conclusion, the Elin's H685 series 5G Ethernet router is a compact, rugged, and reliable solution for mission-critical connectivity in challenging environments. With its versatile connectivity options, cloud management capabilities, and robust design, it's the perfect choice for Internet of Things, IoT, and automotive applications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.